Can a legislative body remove an elected local official? So, si Mayor Go, ng Bambantarlac, medyo ang daming views ngayon. Pero ang tanong, ano ba ang magagawa ng Senate hearing sa kanya at sa kanyang pagka-mayor ng Municipality of Banban? Ang sagot, wala. Walang power ang isang legislative body na magtanggal ng isang elected official. In fact, if we expand yung interpretation, walang power ang Department of Interior and Local Government to even suspend or remove yung elected local official. This is a decided case by the Supreme Court in Don Mariano Marcos versus Martinez, GR number 170626. At ang sabi dito, yung legislative body gustong tanggalin yung isang elected official doon sa kanilang barangay. Barangay lang ito. But this has become a precedent insofar as election laws are concerned, no? Ang gustong tanggalin ay yung punong barangay ng isang bayan sa Don Mariano Marcos. And yung main issue dito sa kaso na ito is whether the Sangguniang Bayan or the legislative body has the power to remove an elective local official from office. Ang sabi ng ating Korte Suprema, ang power to remove elective local officials is exclusively vested in the courts. And this is specifically stated in Section 60 of the Local Government Code. You take note that hindi yung Senado, hindi yung Ombudsman, hindi yung DILG ang pwedeng magtanggal sa isang nahalal na pinuno, but only the courts as specified by law. And the reason for this is to prevent capriciousness and partisanship, no, doon sa disciplining authority. And obviously, no, pag na-trial by publicity ang isang tao, nagkakaroon ng partisanship, nagkakaroon ng divisiveness, and ito yung gustong iwasan ng local government code. And dito, although disciplining authority, yung Sangguniang Bayan, yung provincial bayan, yung Senado, yung Kongreso, yung power to remove is not vested in them. Yung Sangguniang Panglungsod o Sangguniang Bayan may impose the penalty of suspension, no? Kahit na ang dapat na penalty removal from the office, but they cannot remove yung elected official from the office except if they file the proper charges in our courts. This is the case of the Sangguniang Barangay of Barangay Don Mariano Marcos, Municipality of Bayongbong, Province of Nueva Vizcaya, against Punong Barangay Severino Martinez.